I am happy that this function is being organized jointly by MPEDA and Seafood Export Association. Fisheries and agriculture play a great role in the socio-economic development of the country. Fisheries contribute 10% of the total export of the India, and which is 20% of the agricultural export being done from India. India is the fourth largest exporter of fish, earning $6.87 billion, and it provides employment to 14.5 million people living in villages and remote areas of the coastal India. This sector contributes 1% of the total GDP and 5.3% of the agricultural GDP. I congratulate MPEDA for organizing 3-day function. Such events will help giving a renewed impetus to the sector by infusing new ideas and advanced technology. I earnestly hope that all the discussions during the technical sessions will bring a great directed towards sustainable development of the seafood industry for taking the exports to ever new heights. I wish to see India climbing to the #1 position in seafood exports. My best wishes to all of you, and I hope whatever problems you have, the government is ready to mitigate that. Government is there to help you all. I have asked the chairman to give me in writing whatever the problem you people have. We will do our best to solve that. Let us work together, work with new vigor to achieve the targets of 5 trillion economy. And I know in this industry there are so many problems. We are there to help them with this is a federal structure in which biggest democracy of world, federal structure having different government in state, different government at center, but it's a unique process that we have learned to work together for the development of this country. India is a great country. Let us all work together to achieve the targets so that India becomes a world leader. India becomes #1 in the world. Thank you very much. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.